On November 10, 2023, I posted in my Instagram account a photo of the Anta 3 Point Rain 1 in the Belief colorway. And now we finally have the shoe in the flesh, but in the white and green colorway because my first order got cancelled, but that's another story. Welcome back, this is Fresh Pair. Today we'll have a quick overview about the Anta 3 Point Rain 1, including my initial impressions. And of course, I'll be doing a performance review on my pair, so hit that subscribe button and don't miss out. Follow me on Instagram for updates, smash the thumbs up button, share this video to your friends. That said, let's dive in. This is not a sponsored post. Anta did not send me the shoe. I bought these myself. But where and for how much? If you're in Asia, the Lazada or Shopee app is where you'd get these, apart from a few physical stores in China. I ordered mine from the Lazada app and it took about a week for my pair to arrive. For the price, I got mine below retail, specifically about 2,100 pesos or roughly $40 using some vouchers. I'm not sure about the SRP, but I've seen prices ranging anywhere between $75 to $135, depending on the web store where you might grab a pair. It goes without saying that I got my pair for a really great bargain. The Anta 3 Point Rain 1 is a low-top silhouette. The upper material uses what Anta calls CN fiber, which literally translates to immortal fiber, transcendent fiber, or first fiber. In other words, the upper material promises itself to last. The threads are woven as inspired by the cocoon, while some parts have a grid weave pattern, and this has multiple layers. The spacing is wide, which should add some breathability. The CN fiber is also said to be 2.6 times stronger than traditional polyester. At the same time, this upper material makes the shoe light, weighing at around 365 grams for a size US 11. So far, I like the quality of the CN fiber and how it bends and folds, as it should make the shoe less restrictive with your movements. Meanwhile, the collar has adequate foam padding and it should help lock your heel in place. The tongue does not seem to have a plush foam padding though. The lacing system is pretty much no frills, just your standard lacing setup with flat laces. The shoe also has this yellow plastic tag, but it's nothing really. I'll be removing them come playtime. For the cushioning, the shoe uses full-length nitro-edge foam. At the midfoot is an upward carved section where a TPU sits at the bottom for that arch support. There's also a TPU piece called TPU 360 or 360 degrees that looks like a ribbon or lace from the lateral and a portion of the medial extending all the way to the heel. For the outsole, the shoe has a decoupled solid rubber piece, and Anta says the rubber has enhanced wear resistance. The brand also boasts that the outsole can withstand skid on rainy days, presumably on outdoor courts, but I wouldn't bet my life on it. The design, however, looks like ripples from the drops of rain hitting the ground. Right out of the box, the rubber outsole feels tacky to the touch, which is generally a good sign for traction. The rubber treads are thick and stiff, which should be a good indication for outdoor wear, but we'll get back to that after my performance review. I got my usual size US 11 pair and the fit is just right from front to back. In terms of width, the shoe feels a little narrow at the midfoot, while the heel area is really tight, but the good kind of tightness for lockdown. In terms of toe box height, the shoe also feels somewhat low, and there really is not much wiggle room in the toe box. So if you're planning to grab a pair and if you have wide feet, I strongly suggest going a half size up for comfort. Overall, I'm feeling good about the Anta 3 Point Rain 1. I think this is a good purchase. The quality fresh off the box is neat, and I hope the shoe performs well on the court. But we'll get to that good part in my performance review, so I highly suggest that you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel for updates. Smash the thumbs up button as well, share this video to your friends, post your thoughts in the comments section. This is Fresh Pair, thanks for watching, peace and love to the fellow underdogs.